Hello my friends and welcome to part 3, evaluating the model. Congratulations again for having built and trained a logistic regression model which apparently gives us really good predictions. So we're going to check that now in this part 3. First with the confusion matrix, with which we will have a pretty good idea of what the accuracy is and if our model is performant. And then finally with the accuracy. Alright, so in this tutorial we're going to start with the confusion matrix and then in the next one we will compute the accuracy. Alright, so let's do this. Let's create a new code cell, and the most efficient way to build a confusion matrix is of course thanks to another module by scikit-learn, which is called metrics. You know this module. And so we're going to start from our sklearn library, scikit-learn. Well, we're going to get access to this metrics module. There we go. And from this metrics module by the scikit-learn library, we're going to import. What are we going to import? Well, there is a function that returns exactly the confusion matrix. And well, the name of this function is confusion matrix. There we go. Alright, and now, since it's a function, well, we simply need to call it. No need to create any new variable because we won't use them later on. So let's call directly this function, confusion matrix. And so now the question is, what does this function take as input? And actually, you can guess very well. I'll give you a hint. It takes 2 inputs among xtrain, ytrain, xtest, and ytest. So what are those? What do we need to build a confusion matrix? Well, we need our vector of predictions and our vector of ground truth. And well, we have exactly those. Our vector of ground truth is y underscore test, right? These are all the real values of the class, whether it is benign or malignant, in this vector of the dependent variable y test. So it contains all the ground truth of the test set. And then we also have our vector of predictions, which is what we gathered just before, right here in this step, ypred, and that is of course the second input of our model. So ypred, and there we go. That's all you need to do to compute the confusion matrix. So let's do this. Let's run the cell, and here is the confusion matrix, and wow, the results seem to be excellent. We have indeed really good results because these are the correct predictions, 84 and 47. So these are the correct predictions of the benign tumor, also called the true negatives. And these are the correct predictions of the malignant tumor, also called the true positives. Then these are the false positives. So basically, that means that we have 3 incorrect predictions that a patient has a malignant tumor. And these are the false negatives, meaning that there are 3 incorrect predictions that the tumor is benign. All right? But there we go, we have really good results, and so now I can't wait to compute the accuracy with you in the next tutorial to have the last confirmation that our model was really performant. But please, now I'm asking you, please try to do it before me. You know the formula of the accuracy, you can compute it manually, and actually, you know what, in the next tutorial we'll compute the accuracy in 2 ways, first manually, and second, once again, with scikit-learn. So I look forward to doing this final step with you in the next tutorial, and until then, enjoy machine learning.